Take two of the long side panels from panel set A. Then take the middle panel from set A. Then take screw set A and the corresponding Allen key. Insert them, then tighten the screws from screw set A into the holes. Flip the stand onto its feet. The stand should look like this from this point. Then take the middle panel from set B. Then take two of the short side panels from panel set B. Then take the L-shaped panel. These will be all the parts for panel set B. Then take screw set B and the corresponding Allen key. Connect one short panel with the L-shaped panel. Then insert and tighten two screws from screw set B that you took previously. Then take screw set C and the corresponding Allen key. Slide in the previously connected panels into the middle panel. From there, you will connect the remaining short side panel on the opposite side and then tighten the screws. Next, you will put the assembled parts on their feet and place them against each other. The stand should look like this at this point. Next, take the screw set D and the corresponding Allen key. Put the screws from screw set D into the four holes that connect the two separate parts of the display and then tighten with the Allen key. The connected stand should look like this at this point. 3 top front prints. They are all easy to install and are interchangeable. Prints that are not being used can be stored on top of the stand. There's a little compartment there for them. To install the prints, simply insert and tighten the screws through the holes that will be found on the prints and into the corresponding holes on the display, as shown in the illustration above. To interchange the prints, simply remove the screws, replace the print, and then tighten the screws again. Are 6 interchangeable Digi-8s. 2 Digi-8s for each brand. One goes on top as shown. To install it, you simply use the same screw that was on the print and then tighten after the Digi-8 is installed. Next is the bottom Digi-8, which is installed on the bottom right of the display stand. Once you've installed both Digi-8s, they should look like this. Next is the front print, which can be easily installed by sliding in all the prints into the front compartment, as shown. You can see all the prints can be stored into the compartment. To interchange it, you simply slide out the one you want and then put it in front. It's the side panel prints, which are installed the exact same way that the front panel prints are installed. You simply slide them all into the compartment as shown, and to interchange it, you simply slide out the one you want and put it in front. You will notice that on the Digi-8 that there is a rectangular white block. This block is for the magnetic overlay strips. There are 14 of them. All are interchangeable. Simply slide in and slide out. The stand should look like this at this point. And there you go. It's that easy.